Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle Gardener. I made this video in 2020 in August for my family. I would like to show you this video of the garden that I had in Ontario. Why some people complain they don't have enough space in their backyard to have a garden. The way I see it, if you have enough space to have a little table and chair, you have enough space to have a garden. This garden bed that I'm in is 9 by 9 feet, and I have two garden that size. And this little garden that I'm in, look how much food I'm growing in this garden. If you have a backyard even 9 by 9 feet, you can grow a lot of food. And I'm sure most backyard is bigger than 9 by 9. I'm sure most backyards are bigger than that. It doesn't matter what size, how small or big your place is, you can always grow something. You just have to change your mentality of thinking you don't have enough space. Anyways, I came back here to say that it's really good to have a shade, some sort of vining shade or something in the garden, because I was feeling a little bit I don't know, maybe under the weather. It's really hot out here, so it's nice to have a place to go to sit down. But as I look up, I noticed these white flowers in the morning glory. Oh my gosh, look at this flower, it's so beautiful. So there's actually three different flowers over here. This purple, the purple ones, and the blue ones, and the white ones. I didn't even notice these white ones until today. I wanted to show you guys what the morning glory are doing over here. Over here I don't have any more vine anymore, or any leaves anymore, but look, these are flower seeds. These are flower seed, and these gonna reseed themselves. So I won't have to buy morning glory seeds anymore. Just collect the seeds from there. And I think there's some sort of wild animal probably ate some of the leaves off, which is fine for me. It's not a big deal really for me, because I still have leaves inside both garden beds. But I'm gonna get a lot of seeds, Ed, that I can save. And I'm probably going to get some volunteer morning glory next year too, because sure I'm not going to be able to collect all of these seeds, which is okay too, because I like them. They're a good form of shade. I wonder if the animal ate some of the vine of the other gardeners too. Well, it's good that I grow it from inside out, because otherwise I wouldn't have any shade. So I'm just trying to tell you guys, it's really good to try to grow some stuff if you can, because you see how the price of food is starting to go up, and they say it's going to keep going up higher and higher. You can save a lot of money if you start to grow some things. You know, not only save money, but you could improve your health if you start eating from it and start working in the garden. In many ways you can save. I won't go through all of it, but there's many ways you can save. If you have too much of one thing growing, if you want, you can give it away, but I recommend you try to learn how to preserve it, and preserve it so that you can use it in the future, because the future doesn't look like it's gonna be that great the way how things are going right now. So it's best to preserve as much as the food as you can. If you can, I recommend you doing that. Anyways, I just wanted to show you the Morning Glory, the seeds. I'm gonna get a lot of seeds this year, so I won't have to buy the seeds anymore. Speaking of seeds, I'm trying to save some seeds from the plants, some of my plants. It's a good idea to do that, because for the first time this year, I noticed Walmart or Canadian Tire, they moved their seeds, their seed section. So they're not selling no seeds anymore. And one of the reasons why I wanted to have storage is that if you have a storage here, there's a lot of stuff you can keep in there. You can keep your tools in there for the garden, stuff to put the garden harvest if you forget to bring, keep watering container, anything. You can oh yeah, you could keep soil and stuff that goes on sale in it. And with me having a compost, I won't really have to buy fertilizer anymore if I start composting my fruits and vegetables and leafy greens, or any plant that I don't want, or fruits I don't want. Or if I harvest, I go collect the leaves that fall this fall from and put in the compost. That will help the garden to be even productive, because I don't even water my garden every day. I water it every other day, and the plants don't seem to be doing okay. In the meanwhile, other gardeners, they water their garden every single day. I don't know how they have time to do that. And I think maybe a raised bed garden is the best, because I hardly have any weed in my garden. I find maybe the first 2 months you have to weed more, but as the garden season go on, you don't have to weed that much, because I haven't weeded gardens now for 2 weeks now, and I hardly see any weeds. There's a few, but not that much. And I probably won't weed the garden maybe until next week, because I don't need to. There's not much. After the plants start to get bigger, and the way I garden, it helps to reduce the amount of weed in my garden, because I don't dig. I try to do the no dig garden method. Anyways, you guys have a good day. Bye.